my car because we're gonna be pimping up my car for this video. We're gonna do car wash, decorations, we're gonna dust, vacuum, all of this stuff to make my car look nice, poppin', so when the guests come in, they're like, it's a nice car.
We have a lot of guests.
Yeah, mostly it's just me and Matt, but you know, you want to have good vibes in the car, a good environment. If you want inspiration for your car glow up, stay tuned.
We're pulling into the car wash.
I've never been to a car wash with my car. I've only been with my mom when I was really young, and I was really, really scared of them. Okay, it looks like this thing is here.
Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
What?
And now we are waiting for wash.
Yeah, like, do I put it in park? Do I have to turn the car off? Is something gonna go wrong? Is it gonna explode? There's lots of questions I need answering right now. The lady on there did not explain it to me, and I'm very nervous. I know why I hated the car wash when I was younger.
Where's the Q&A? Where's the Q&A?
I know.
I thought there'd be a frequently asked questions.
I thought there would be a guy talking to me.
I've never been to a car wash where there was not a man speaking to me.
I know. I guess that's the thing of the touchless. It's gonna be so cool when we're in there though, like photo shoot, like.
Wait, what? We got the vlog done.
Yeah, but you can.
What in the world? Sarah just took a photo with the footage.
Yeah.
I've never been more shook with technology in my life.
I can record you since I don't have to drive. Do you have anything to say?
I used to go to a car wash with my mom all the time.
Deborah.
And I have never been since. And it was not this one. We went to the same one every time. It had an Elmo doll in it. I hope that when we go in, it's really obvious what we have to do.
Yeah.
I'm like super nervous that we're
Well, his brake lights are on. So that leads me to believe he's in drive. And he just put the brake lights on. OMG, are we about to go in? He's like going out.
Oh my gosh. My heart's like racing. My heart's like racing. Like I'm freaking out. I didn't know this was gonna be a scary video.
I know.
Thought it'd be a fun video.
Matt got new glasses, by the way, from Warby Parker. I think they're super cute. I love the color a lot and the shape.
Brown, cute shape. They're kind of like
Fits
my
his-
old ones, but like a little sharper.
Yeah, like I feel like the shape fits his face really well. I still have my old glasses. I still never wear
That's
glasses.
cute what we're doing right now.
Here we go. Oh. Okay, are all my windows shut?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh god.
Oh my gosh.
Stop. Okay, there's a thing. Drive forward. Drive forward.
Oh, right there. Right here. It tells us what to do.
It's gonna tell me when to stop, right? Right?
Please tell us to stop.
Okay.
Woo!
I was like, cleaning. Oh, whoa. This is epic. Why isn't the door shut? I'm a little confused about that. Yeah, I'm just in drive with the brake lights on. This is sick. I'll record Matt with the... Oh wait, it looks like we got snowed in.
We got foamed up.
We got foamed up.
It's gonna hit me soon.
Whoa. I hope it works. I hope all the pollen's off of my car. But then again, it's $9. So I don't know. Yeah, it still says stop. It's like rainbow colors for Pride. Happy Pride. Now we're just driving home. The car's a little wet in the front. It's a little later in the day. I just got vegan takeout, and now we're gonna go get some gas. Always turn your car off before getting gas or it might explode. I don't know where I heard that, but isn't it true? It kind of does look a little cleaner. This, you know, isn't cleaner, but this part, the car wash did a good part on this part. Good job on this part. Worth the $9? I don't really think so, but it was a fun experiment. Or just wash it ourselves. Like we used to wash cars ourselves like all the time. Like my grandpa would just come over and be like, car wash. Okay. Apparently it's a full service gas station.
So
and I did not know that.
Someone's gonna fill it up for us. Bougie.
But why didn't he say something when we were there earlier? Where are we gonna go? We got a full tank of gas.
Fiji trip.
It's been days. Some would call it a week. Matt has a fully shaven head. I have showered.
A lot has changed.
But now we're ready to clean the inside of the car. side is Matt's side, and then like that, the driver's side is my side. So now I'm gonna do what Matt did, but faster and with fewer paper towels. So this is a little car haul. I have all my tampons right here, a Lar just in case I get hungry, for emergencies only, emergency bug spray, like a little one. And then this big compartment opens, and I have Sharpies in case any celebrity comes by and I need them to sign something. A flashlight, it's pretty bright. And all my CDs, if I ever listen to CDs. So this is the brand new car. Go over there.
Okay.
Moving on to the back seat, we're gonna organize it now. These are Matt's swim shorts.
Those-
All of Matt's purse's belongings are all over the car.
Sorry, I haven't cleaned out my purse in quite a few years.
New video?
Oh my gosh. We'll add it as a bonus.
So I thought, you know how a lot of cars have like nets back here, like the nets? I thought I'd be able to like put them in the nets and it'd be like a fun gag, but I don't. So I'm just gonna put them here, but they're gonna fall as soon as I start driving. Yeah, these are Matt's, so we're just gonna put those in the front. This is my bag. I need it because that's my license. But yeah, this is the new back seat with some fun decorations. These are both Webkins. I just thought they like matched the vibe. Like Jeep.
Sarah drives a Jeep.
I do. So yeah, this is the trunk. We'll organize it, I guess.